be sown? What will you leave your mother, my beloved one? I will invest, I will invest. Make my bed, I've a pain in me head, and I want to lie down. And what will you leave your father, Henry be sown? What will you leave your father, my beloved one? I watch and shame, I watch and shame. Make my bed, I've a pain in me head, and I want to lie down.
Uilleann pipes with quartets or uilleann pipes with any sort of Western art music, it just works so well. It's my first time playing with this quartet, and it's my first time playing Sean Doherty's music. As I said to the members of the quartet earlier on, they are not so familiar with it, and they were kind of taken by all the ins and outs, and I was trying to say that the best way to look at it is a small portable church organ. And it was actually referred to as the Irish church organ in the 19th century.
Working hard to create a commission piece that is reflective of the music of both Scotland and Ireland. The Arts Council of Northern Ireland have been very supportive in this. Yeah. The Inbolk Festival themselves have been hugely supportive, and we're very, very grateful.
And we're getting a chance to work with some of the young musicians from here, an all-Ireland piper and a brilliant young fiddle player, and they've just been amazing working on the music, and so it's been a real pleasure working with them today here in Derry.